In the spring of 1965, the LRSD School Board instituted a freedom of choice plan for the 1965-1966 school year. Students were supposed to be assigned to their first choice of schools if space existed. If too many people chose the same school, preference was shown to students living nearest the school. This supposedly benign plan, with its race-neutral language, belied the fact that city planners, developers, and realtors had spent most of the previous 15 years creating more strictly segregated neighborhoods. Aware of these growing stakes in the school board's pursuit of a 2-meal tax increase in September of 1965, the Special Committee on Public Education, or SCOPE, formed in Little Rock. SCOPE demanded that board members get serious about desegregation or face organized opposition to the tax increase. Among other demands, SCOPE insisted that the LRSD hire experts to conduct a study that would make informed proposals for the district's future. Early in 1966, the school board solicited bids for the promised study. In August, they voted for the least expensive proposal submitted by the Bureau of Education Research at the University of Oregon. At the same time, segregationist control of the 6-member school board briefly faltered as the board added a 7th member. The last board members from the crisis years of 57 to 59 were gone after 1965, and an election in 1966 produced 3 new board members. On Saturday morning, June the 3rd, 1967, the lead investigators from the University of Oregon appeared before the LRSD school board with a desegregation proposal that had tremendous potential for destroying the vestiges of the city's dual school system. Among the report's numerous suggestions, it urged the LRSD to implement a 5-3-2-2 plan for its schools with a long-term goal of increasing capacity for each school. So the numbers represent grades that would be in each school. Grades 1 through 5 would compose elementary schools, grades 6 through 8 middle schools, grades 9 and 10 would be housed in 3 junior high schools. But the key was all students in grades 11 and 12 would attend one school, Hall High School. Thus, the upper grades would be fully desegregated immediately.